And welcome back. You're still watching It's a Beautiful Day. Learn, connect, play, and work. An upcoming event seeks to help freelancers improve their craft and expand their network while having fun. Joining us this morning is Mary Rose Ganzon, the founder of Bloggy Mary Group. It's a beautiful day, Mary Rose. How do I call you, Mary Rose?
Eddie na lang po. Thank you. Hello, everyone.
Hello, welcome to the show. Now, please tell us all about Freelancers Wonderland and why did you choose freelancers as your target market?
Well, great question. I have been working as a freelancer for almost 16 years now, and we've never seen anyone like it. I've actually partnered with FH Moms, Mommy MK Bertulfo, para lang maisakatuparan namin ito. And we only had about 29 days to prepare for the event. So it's happening now on Sunday, so I'm really excited.
Ooh.
Now, Mary, you know what's so interesting? Let's talk about the setting of the place. Now, instead of holding it in a convention center, the event is actually situated at Mother's Wonderland in Tayabas, Quezon. It's as if they're not going to like an actual convention. It's like they're attending a retreat. So why did you choose it in like such a setting?
Well, we actually call this like conference na may ligaya at may sustansya. Because a lot of times when we talk about conference, we think about like malalaking halls and there would be speakers sa mga stage. But when we went there, I was actually invited. I'm from Quezon Province and I was invited to go to Mother's Wonderland. Eksakto naman, that was Christmas party and Mommy MK of FH Moms was here, they're visiting. So sabi ko, tara, let's go. It was life-changing. The place is amazing. It's a 12-hectare property situated near Banahaw. So initially, I thought it's just another theme park. But when we went there, the food is amazing. The place is amazing. The people are so happy. Like, even their crew, like, everyone's so happy. Now, suddenly, we felt this parang na-heal yung inner child namin kahit wala naman kaming trauma. So it's good. It's really good. The place is so nice and that's when we realized we really have to set something up para dito sa lugar na to. But at the same time, I want to bring my whole team. And then when I thought of my whole team, kasi they're flying, we're going to have our kickoff party. The Bloggy Mary Group mentors this weekend. I said, bakit team lang? So why don't we invite other people to come to the place and enjoy with us?
Yeah. And of course, we just flashed a while ago yung mga guests nyo, yung mga speakers nyo. What are the type of activities the attendees can expect? And of course, what were your categories siguro, or what were the messages you wanted your speakers to impart on those who are going to join?
We handpicked the speakers. Like, we were very, very picky do sa mga tao na magtutalk because we want to make sure na aalis sila nang hindi lang inspired but they are actually leaving ready to take action. This event is for not just aspiring virtual assistants but also yung mga seasoned freelancers na pakiramdam nila parang natenga na sila or walang progress. So the very first person that I asked to speak was Kohi Social, Andrea of Kohi Social. So she will be talking about elevating client experience. I heard her talk about systems. I loved it. I took action. So I said, let's have Andrea. And then I'm also a member of Passionate Creators. That's how I met Louie. So Louie Baarde is the founder of Passionate Creators, and she will talk about authority and influence in the freelancing space. Because they're really good at, using your brand and converting your brand into something that would not just make you money, but will also speak volumes about who you are.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I'm really good friends with Mia Juan, and she actually have a lot of following on TikTok. That's because I think she's the only one that's able to really share what it's like to be working as an executive virtual assistant. So we had her assigned sa, her talk would be about becoming a strategic partner.
Speaking of, you actually hit on a key word there, and that word is partner.
Yes.
And you know, Anne, we were
Yes.
talking about this a while ago na success never comes in a vacuum. It always has to deal with the people that you work with
That's
as well.
right, that's right. And this event is actually a good platform for all these freelancers to connect with
Yes.
each other, right? And, you know, I've been a freelancer for maybe like 20 years already, and I know how important networking is for us freelancers. It's a key concern for both new and experienced freelancers. Now, Mary, how are you guys helping them establish these connections through the event?
One of the speakers is actually part of the core team, si Edina Tindoy of Spark Creatives. And she came up with this parang activity where people would be able to truly connect. Hindi lang yung bastang, hi, this is what I do, or hello, this is ano. But instead, it would be like an exchange gift. Of your experience and skills. So for example, there's this person who already knows how to revamp their profile, and there's this person na bago pa lang, but knows how to do SEO, pero hindi siya sure how to revamp her profile. So we would connect them, and we'll have them, talk to each other, perhaps share kung ano yung mga expertise nila. It's parang a combination of exchange gift plus speed dating plus like everything creative we added dun sa event para ma-enjoy ng lahat at matutunan din nila kung ano nga ba yung pinakamagandang strategy when it comes to freelancing and networking as a freelancer.
Exchange gift na speed dating. Parang iba ata yun. Yung
I said, wow, that's a great convention.
but that's super interesting.
It
Kasi
is.
I can only imagine, especially Mo, when we talk about, trying to advance, making sure that you connect with the right people and making sure that you meet someone or you work with someone that has an expertise that you don't have.
Right. So for the seasoned, quote unquote, freelancer, Mary, like who want to level up their advanced opportunities, I know you touched on this a bit earlier and you just touched on it a bit. So can we expound more? Like what are the resources that are available at the event for those who want to level up their freelancing game?
Well, got a confirmation that a client from Canada is flying. So this was yesterday, and I know one of the things that seasoned freelancers are struggling with is how can they go direct? Kasi most people, they would be working sa platforms, and none of the people that I've met before has ever presented ng face-to-face to sa client. So this is really something na pwede nilang i-explore. There will also be, so apart from clients, there will be agencies, and there are local and international prospects na pwede nating targetin dun sa mismong location. So they'd be able to talk to different people. Apart from that, one thing that I learned since I started, kasi before I don't like networking, I'm like, sa bahay nga ako nagtrabaho kasi ayokong lumalabas. Like ayokong nakikisal na mukha.
Okay.
But this was in 2022 when I started attending conferences, just out of curiosity, like what's in it for me if I attend something like this? And that's where I learned that if you expose yourself to people who are better, I wouldn't call it better, who are doing different things, you'd be able to learn a thing or two. So we have this, what we call the personal learning network. So sila yung mga friends na mga freelancers then, and whenever we need someone na for a specific niche. For example, graphics design. You might have noticed ang ganda ng mga graphics design na nagawa. That is by Ambo. And I realized hindi ako ganun kagaling when it comes to graphic design. So by exposing myself to people like Ambo, natututo ako na, okay, so ganun pala yun, maganda pala yun. If I expose myself to, let's say for example, Gretel, she's from Cebu, but that's also part of our PLN, nakikita ko yung branding na, okay, so ganun pala yung branding. Kasi I'm more into operations management.
Yeah.
So all of us combined, parang mas nakikita namin na pagka marunong ka talaga na makipag-network sa ibang tao, you will really learn a thing or two about how to elevate pa yung iyong freelancing business.
You mentioned that you basically showcased the work of your friend in terms of yung graphic design niya. Are there going to be opportunities for the attendees actually to showcase yung freelance work nila? Will they have a space? Will they have a way to showcase it?
Yes. So initially, for people who wants to first get like coaching, there's going to be one-on-one coaching. After the coaching, we have a spot where they can print their resume na nag-revamp din doon sa mismong place. I'm not even sure I can discuss this. That's supposed to be a surprise, but we're here already. So,
Surprise! Pati kami nagulat.
So after nun, core team, I'm sorry, I love you. Okay. So after
Okay.
nun, ipiprint yung resume, and then there are these agencies and there are these people who will do live na interview for possibly a same-day hire.
Of course, Mary, this event is not just about work, right? You're including elements of fun as well. Kasi you really
Yes.
chose a great venue for this. What leisure activities have you planned for your attendees?
Oh, I actually didn't plan it. Mother's Wonderland already have it in place.
Wow.
So that's what's nice about this place is wala na kaming masyadong effort when it comes to entertainment.
Okay.
They have everything. So they have shows. I super love their shows, lalo na yung pang-finale. They have horseback riding. They have yung Gaia, where you can climb. They have mini golf. They have, I forgot the name of the python, but there's a python there that you can take pictures with.
Okay.
They have got gubat. They have a lot. It's actually a really long list of activities. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to miss one or two of them. But all of this is already included dun sa entrance. So whether you join the actual conference or not, pwedeng pumasok, mag-entrance ka lang, and you'd be able to enjoy all of the amenities na.
You know, it's so funny because when you mentioned the python at may gubat, sana naman hindi mo hahanapin muna yung python sa gubat bago kayo magpa-picture. Pero you know what, this sounds like such a great opportunity. I'm excited for all the freelancers who will attend. And I cannot wait to see the reactions from it afterwards.
Yes. Mary, if they need more details about this event, how they can join you, where can they reach you?
They can actually check my Facebook page, facebook.com/bloggymary. I'm also on TikTok, but most of the links are actually posted on Facebook, so might as well just check my Facebook page.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us, Mary Rose Ganzon, founder of Bloggy Mary Group. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
And guys, we got more stories for you later on the show. Don't go away. It's a beautiful day. We'll be right back.